This video, we will look at the certain job opportunities that are currently available and for which you don't need any kind of degree. If you are ready for the video, be sure to like it and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect 4 weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, CPA marketing, NFTs, crypto, forex and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are soon introducing a membership option where you will have the opportunity to get access to our private portfolio, but more about it in the upcoming videos. Today, we are talking about companies looking for worldwide employees to work from home without any previous degree and knowledge. The first company for today is Polygon. As always, all the websites and platforms mentioned in the video will leave you pinned in the first comment of this video. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that allows developers to create scalable user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees with security protection. You will find their available jobs by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking on the Careers button under the General tab. Here you can find out what their mission and vision is and why is it good to work with them. When you scroll a little more, you will find available jobs and as you can see, most of them are in the field of IT technologies, which is logical. The good thing is that most of them are remote, which means you can work from anywhere in the world from home. To find a job that interests us for today, we go to filters and select others, games, brands, metaverse, labs. Of course, if you have expertise in any field, you can apply for any job. But for today video purposes, we will choose a community lead job. When we open this job, we can see that it's a work from home job and that the main obligation is the growth and development of Polygon Studios channels on Discord and other social networks, and you will work directly connected with the brand marketing team. Here you can read what are the requirements and the desirable prior knowledge for this position. This is a great position for all young people interested in the world of NFTs, metaverse and so on. No special prior knowledge is required. Literally a few days of research on this topic and reading various articles can be enough for you. As I said, the benefit is that you work from anywhere in the world, from home and have flexible working hours, which means you can choose when to work and of course you have a flexible vacation. The average salary for this position is around 80k per year. The lower limit is 45 and the upper is $120,000. So that's between $3,700 and $10,000 per month. If you want to apply for this job, scroll to the bottom of the page, click on the button in the application field, attach your CV and wait for a response. The next company is the Interaction Design Foundation. This is a platform that sells courses as a digital products in the field of design. They have courses for beginners as well as the advanced designers. How will you find available jobs? So scroll to the end of the homepage and click on the Careers button under the About section. On this page you have absolutely everything about their business culture and the principles you need to follow, as well as what it looks like and what are the benefits of working with them. You will see that here too you have the option of working from home with a flexible holiday. When we scroll to the bottom of the page, we will see open positions for the company and the positions we are interested in today's video is Member Support Unicorn. Of course, you can apply for any other, but we mostly choose to show the position for which most of you could easily apply. What will be your tasks? It's a matter of communication with existing members of the courses along all communication channels. You will be a brand ambassador and you will work on improving the system itself. You will be communicating with the development team to improve the user experience on the platform itself. What you will be asked to do is to write good English, have a computer and a stable internet connection, and that you generally like design. If your English is weak, use the Grammarly Google Chrome writing extension, which will suggest better words and correct grammatical errors. Also, one of the essential qualities is to be social and communicative person and also positive. You get bonus points if you have already worked in these areas remotely and if you are already a member of this foundation. So, how to apply? Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Find out how to join our team button. When the window opens, you will see that process itself takes place in 6 steps. You will first read all the information that we have briefly told you today, then you will watch the video that is in the step number 2, and please don't skip this video because in the interview they can ask you for some details from the video. Then you will write a cover letter in a few sentences why you want to work for this company, and together with your CV send it to paul@interaction-design.org. When you submit the data, their senior members will look at your application and then you will get a short test that you can do in your free time. Then you will have an interview and here it's important that you read and watch a video related to the culture of the company. You will have a conversation with co-founder, team lead or manager for about an hour. Then you will get a longer test which will take 2 to 3 hours and you can do it in your free time, and in the end you have 2 more interviews related to your skills and the final interview where you will hopefully get a job. If you didn't like any of these companies, I will leave you a playlist of other companies that hire you to work from home. I'm sure you will find at least one job that will suit you, given that we covered over 50 companies and thousands of different jobs they offer so far. That would be all for this amazing video. I hope you got some useful information and maybe recommend jobs to someone if you already have your job that you're currently satisfied with. The point of our community is that we all help each other. If you want to learn more about business model like drop servicing and see how I earned over $100,000 in 2 years, you can click on the first link in the description. Also, at your request, I will soon test Shopify dropshipping Fiverr gigs and see how will store look like and run some ads to see the results. It will be fun. We will soon start documenting investments in stocks and indexes, so turn on the notification bell and follow me on Instagram because I will soon be more active there with quick and easy tips for passive income earnings. Until the next video, a new education and ways to earn money online, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers!